This video will show you what to do if your Acer laptop is running extremely slow and the apps are lagging all of a sudden. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon and then select task manager from the list. Now here you will first need to go to this startup apps tab and then click on this status option. Once you do, you will see a list of apps that are configured to run every time you turn on your Acer laptop. Now the problem with having too many startup apps is that these apps continue to run in the background even when you are not using them. So the best way to fix this is to simply select the apps that you don't want running every time and then choose disable. So this will stop these apps from running in the background. You will need to do this for each app individually. Once you have done that, go to the processes tab right here. Now here look for the apps that are currently running on your PC. If you see an app that you don't want running, simply right click it and then choose end task option. However, if you don't want to close your browser, let's say, you can expand it and then look for a specific tab that's using too much CPU or memory. If you find one, simply right click it and then choose end task here. Once you have done this, simply close the task manager and then open the settings app on your Acer laptop. Now go to the system tab right here. Now select power and battery. Now in this menu, select this power mode option and make sure you have selected best performance in both these entries. So make sure to set your laptop for best performance. Now go back to the system tab and then click on storage. Now here make sure your Acer laptop has at least 10% free storage space. If it doesn't, click on temporary files. Now select all the unwanted temporary files from here and then choose remove files and then hit continue. Once you have done this, simply close the settings app and then head to the search menu. Now type in adjust. Now select this option that says adjust the appearance and performance. Now in the performance options window, you will need to select this adjust for best performance option and then hit apply followed by OK. Once you have done this, go back to the search menu again and this time type defrag. Now select this defragment and optimize drives option. Now here select your C drive and then click on this optimize option. Once you have done this, simply restart your Acer laptop and it will run smoothly as expected. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.